Hello everyone. Today I am going to cook is perfectly different kinds of dish because I am going to make mushroom buttermilk gravy. This is the first time in my own ideas. So now what are the ingredients? Mushroom 200 gram, small onion 75 gram, coconut for paste 6 tablespoons, ginger and garlic, green chilies for 4 or 5 numbers, mustard seeds 1 tablespoon, cumin seeds 2 tablespoons, curry leaves 1 spring, chana dal 2 tablespoons, dry chilies, urad dal for tempering, curd 1 cup, turmeric powder, and finally salt. Everyone know about for buttermilk or more Kulambu, but this is special dishes from mushroom buttermilk curry. So you can soak the chana dal for 30 minutes. Now add the coconut, small onion, cumin seeds, green chilies, just 4 numbers, ginger, garlic, then finally add the chana dal. So filter the water, you can add it. Now grind it, make the paste. So paste is ready, keep it aside. Now take one kadai, you can add the mushroom, washed mushroom. You can wash this mushroom with medium hot water. Okay, after wash this, you can add the mushroom in a kadai. Just 50 ml of water you can add it. Now allow to cook just 4 minutes. Because I don't add any oil. Okay, note it everyone. Now you can add the turmeric powder. So just mix it well, because buttermilk will come to end perfect coloring. So add the turmeric powder and add 1 teaspoon of salt. So salt, how much you can need, just add it. Now mix it well, allow to cook for 5 minutes. So already 4 minutes completed for cook. Now 5 minutes more. Okay, so after cook this mushroom, you can add the paste. Just mix it well. Yeah, if you want much of water, you can add it, otherwise no need add the water. Okay, just mix it well. Now we will wait for come bubbles up to end. Okay, give 3 to 4 minutes time. So this dish going to end. So before this, so make for dressing. So final dressing for tempering. Okay, now add the oil, allow to heat, Now add the mushroom seeds, urad dal, dry chilies and curry leaves. Just 30 to 40 seconds is enough to temping. After this ready, you can add this dressing to buttermilk gravy. So today this recipe is very special for me because everyone will make for lady finger or pumpkin also, but today I prepared for mushroom recipe. So not only mushroom recipe, it's the mushroom buttermilk recipe, also very special recipe. You just mixing this dressing. Now switch up the stove, allow to cool, because finally we'll add the curd. So now add the curd, just get it work, it's enough. So after that you can add this curd, just mix it. You should take this seasoning, it's okay. Cool and serve this for meals. It's very tasty and also very good recipe. So yeah, now mushroom buttermilk gravy is ready. One more Kulambu, it's ready now. So everyone should try like this. So thanks for watching. If you have not subscribed my channel, subscribe my channel and give your support. Thanks once again.